Hey everyone, if you're watching this, you're probably in China right now, or heading there soon, and you just realized Discord doesn't work. Don't worry. In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access Discord in China, step by step, using a method that actually works. It only takes a couple of minutes. You can use the link in the description to get NordVPN, which is one of the few VPNs that still work reliably in China. Let's get into it. So here's the deal. Discord is completely blocked in China, along with other platforms like Google, YouTube, Facebook, and WhatsApp. It's restricted by something called the Great Firewall, China's powerful internet censorship system. The only way to get around this is to change your virtual location, and that's where a VPN comes in. A VPN, virtual private network, lets you change your IP address so you appear to be in another country, like the US or UK, where Discord works perfectly. But here's the thing. Most VPNs don't work in China. China blocks most VPN traffic unless it's hidden or obfuscated. Free VPNs? Don't waste your time. They're either too slow, don't work at all, or worse, they log and sell your data. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers designed to bypass the Great Firewall, and it's one of the few VPNs that still work reliably in China. Alright, here's how to set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. NordVPN isn't free, but it has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Step 3. Very important. Download NordVPN before arriving in China. Their website is blocked once you're inside the country. Step 4. Open the app and go to Settings, Auto Connect. Enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server in a country like the US, UK, Japan, or Singapore. Step 6. Open Discord. It should now work just like normal. If Discord still doesn't connect, try a different obfuscated server. Switch VPN protocol to OpenVPN, TCP, or NordLynx. Restart Discord and clear cache. Make sure your internet is stable, Wi-Fi, or mobile data. These small tweaks usually fix the issue. And that's it. That's how you can quickly access Discord in China using NordVPN. Remember, use the link in the description to get NordVPN with a special discount and 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll be chatting, gaming, and joining your favorite Discord servers again in no time. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'll help you out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.